ANDERY sent us their mobile phone holder so we can show you the features and let you know our thoughts. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box and see what it looks like. All right, so here is the phone holder itself. The ring here is magnetic, so it will work on your MagSafe devices, as you can see there. However, if you do not have a MagSafe case, it does come with a ring that you can place on your phone, as well as the cleaning wipes to make sure you get the proper adhesion to your phone case. It does also come with a base. Now, this is not necessary for the suction cup to work. However, if you have a textured surface or your dash has a coating on it, you may want to use this. It is an adhesive back, and you do put this ring on, or this plate on your dash or wherever you think this will go, and it will adhere better. But again, you do not need that for the normal operation of this on any flat surface. This does have a peel off back, and it is going to be initially kind of sticky. It does have a little adhesive, but this is a suction cup, and the adhesive is not going to damage anything. Once you adhere it, and I'm going to show you this in a car in just a second, but once you adhere it, you do want to twist. You're going to see there is a lock and unlock feature, and as you can see here, this is in the unlock position. So when you place it, you want to turn it, let me do it this hand, to the lock position. So you're going to twist, twist, twist until you get to that lock position, and that's what causes the suction cup to hold. As you can see, it did wrinkle up the paper, but that's what gives it that strong hold, and it is pretty tight, so you will have to work to get that twisted. But once that's twisted on there, it is not going anywhere. You can have this upright, you can have this down, and with this up, I mean, there's many different ways. This twists all the way around too, so you can position it in different ways. You can have it flat and just have your phone there if you don't want this sticking out. So there's many different options that you can use this. I just wanted to show you the operation before placing it in the vehicle so you can see what it looks like. So let's go ahead and put it in the car and see how it actually works. All right, here we are in the car. And here is the device. Now, what we're going to do is place it on. I did take the backing off. So you're going to push it on to your dash, and then you're going to turn this, and that's what causes the suction until it clicks. And look, I can't even pull this up at all. Phone on. There you go. Oops. Phone on. And there you have it. Now, to take it off, you twist this to release the suction. Let's see which way I twist it. We turn. Okay, there we go. Turn this to release the suction, and you just pull it up. As you can see, there is no damage. There's nothing on the back of the adhesive, and you can just do that as many times as you want. Again, you cannot pull this up. This is going to adhere to anything. And then to release, it is quite tight to release. To twist it the other way, there you go. And then there is a little tab to pull up the suction right there. So you can see there's a tab. And this is a leather dash. It is slightly textured. I'm not sure if you can see in the video. It is slightly textured, and it's still stuck so well, and so we would highly recommend.